Hey everyone, it's Dorothy from crazyforcrust.com and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite holiday pies. It's made with eggnog. This holiday pie will divide your family in two. You know why? Because it uses eggnog. How many people out there love eggnog? I am one of those people that absolutely loves eggnog. Now I know eggnog is like a love-hate relationship, so if you love eggnog, you're going to love this pie. And I bet, even if you think you don't like eggnog, you'll still like this pie. This pie recipe could not be easier. It just has a few ingredients. It comes together in minutes, and it's fluffy and light, and it's so easy to eat because the pudding cream filling is just so light and fluffy that it just disappears. And you're like, wait, I ate 3 slices. All right, let's make my favorite eggnog pie. First, you start with a pie crust. Now you can use my all butter pie crust recipe that you blind bake using my method, or you can use a frozen pie crust or one of those ones from a package of 2. No matter what pie crust you use, you want to blind bake it so that it's nice and crispy because the filling is no bake. Now, I said this pie just has a few ingredients, and I'm right because there's only 4 ingredients. The pie crust was 1, now we only have 3 left. You start with eggnog. Make sure it's a dairy eggnog, not one of those soy-based ones or nut-based ones. You want to use dairy because we're going to use pudding mix. And pudding mix needs the proteins in dairy to firm up and come up to the right consistency. Add 1 2/3 cup eggnog with 1 box of instant vanilla pudding mix. You want to use the small box of instant vanilla pudding mix, the 3.4 ounce size. You can use vanilla or French vanilla. You can even use cheesecake flavor. Just whisk those together until no lumps remain and then let it sit to thicken. It's going to take about 3 to 5 minutes. Once it's thickened up, you're going to add half of a container of Cool Whip. Or you can make your own whipped cream by beating 1 cup of heavy whipping cream until stiff peaks form and then use about half of that. You want to save some for topping the pie with. Gently fold in your Cool Whip or your whipped cream and then add it to your pre-cooked pie crust. Top it with the remaining whipped cream or Cool Whip and then chill until it's ready to serve, probably just 2 hours or so. Before serving, top it with a sprinkling of nutmeg or cinnamon. And that's it. It's just minutes to make this delicious pie recipe. Here it is. I absolutely love it. I could eat the entire pie if I wasn't careful. It's so creamy and light. You can see how soft it is, and the crust is nice and crunchy. Totally has that Christmassy eggnog flavor. I absolutely love this pie, and I hope that you do too. Thanks for watching today. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and eat something sweet.